Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Gemini, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, okay? So these are your current energies, Two of Wands and the High Priestess. And these are your partner's current energy, the Hierophant and the Three of Cups in reverse. Okay, so let's discuss your current energy first. Gemini, with these two cards, it seems like you are planning to move out somewhere, okay? Because you have this globe in your hand and you have the immense ocean ahead you. That means you are thinking to go somewhere, okay? And these wands tells me that you are eager to take some actions. And apart from that, with this High Priestess card, it seems like you are not very sure. I would say you are more skeptical about sharing your vision or mission with somebody else. And if I talk about from a relationship perspective, so I feel that Gemini, you wish to meet your person soon, and you perhaps you are not disclosing your details, okay? You want to take some action towards them, but you are not disclosing your details, okay? What you want to do, what action you are going to take. So there are certain things which you are not opening up, which you are not confronting in front of your person. And it seems like it seems like you are going to meet your person or something like that. I don't know, but yes, this is for sure that you are going to take some action towards your person, but it's not I mean, you are not being very vocal about it, okay? So you have kept this thing as a secret. On the other hand, we have the Hierophant and the Three of Cups in reverse. So Gemini, it seems like a person must be talking to a lot of people around them about you, okay? And they were expecting to meet you, they were wanted to meet you, but it seems like your plan has been cancelled, okay? Because the celebration, there was some celebration happening for them, but now the celebration has been postponed. The reunion is postponed. Perhaps they wanted to meet you, but they are not able to meet you, and the celebration is not, the meeting of two of you is not happening as of now. So that's why they must be talking to their family, their friends, their loved ones about you, that why this person is not coming and talking to me, why this person is not confronting their emotions in front of me, what this person is, why this person is behaving in this particular manner, or what are they up to, I mean, what they want. They are not disclosing their details, they are not disclosing what they want to do, what they are going through. So what are you up to? Your person is completely confused, and it seems like they are talking to their loved ones, the people on whom they trust a lot, and they're thinking about you. Let's see the mutual energy between you and your person. Participation. Okay, it seems like it is like a teamwork for both of you, okay? You both of you feel that when you guys come together, you feel that, okay, we are not the individual personalities, we are one, okay? We are team, okay? So it is not that it's only Gemini is giving all their love, emotion, affection, time and all that. Gemini is also getting the same thing from their partner, all right? So both of you feel that this is a relationship which requires both of you, and both of you are giving your 100% to nurture this relationship, to grow in this relationship, okay? So nobody is blaming the other person. Now let's see what your person thinks about you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Suppression, innocence, and the abundance. All right, so we have got three cards. The first card is suppression. Gemini, it seems like, I mean, it not seems like to me, but your person sees you as somebody who is, you know, suppressing your own thoughts and feelings. Okay, perhaps you are somebody who is completely overloaded by the responsibilities, okay, of responsibilities of your work, your family, your friends, and all that. So somewhere somehow you are suppressing your emotions, and that's how your person sees you, Gemini. That you are being a Gemini, you are suppressing your emotions, you are not confronting your feelings in front of your family members, in front of your friends, in front of your loved ones. Okay, and somewhere somehow you are feel depressed. You feel that why people cannot understand my situation, are why people always look up to me for advice and all that. I am also a human being, I am not a super machine. Okay, so certain things are, you know, definitely suppressing you. That's how your person sees you. Now let's see what actions your person is taking towards you right now. The innocence. It seems like your person, I mean, they want to take some action towards you, but it seems like they are, you know, they are into their own energies. They want to take some action towards you, but they are being very, very innocent at this point of time. Okay, they are very much surrounded by their own people. Why, I mean, this is the reason they are not able to take some action towards you, even though they want to. But they are they are already very occupied within their own surroundings. Okay, and it seems like your person is very, very innocent, and they are somebody who can trust on anyone. They can trust anyone. So this is one thing which, you know, keeps bothering you always. Why this person trust a lot, why this person trust a lot. So yeah. In future I'm seeing abundance, and yes, some action is definitely going to take place in future for you, Gemini. Okay, so with this abundance card, it seems like your person will come forward and talk to you and share their feelings towards you. Or probably they can come and meet you in person, that hey, I wanted to meet you from a very long time, and now I am getting a time, so let's talk about our future, let's talk about our things, let's talk about us. Okay, so I'm seeing that you are going to experience a lot of abundance in future. Okay, with regards to your relationship thing, with regards to your relationship, sorry, with your person. Okay. Okay, so Gemini, it seems like you are dealing with Pisces. Some of you could be dealing with Taurus as well. We have water sign in this reading: Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this 3 of Cups. Some of you could be dealing with air sign as well in this reading. Okay, with this 2 of Wands, this participation card and suppression card. And we have earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also in this reading with this abundance card. So Gemini people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.